This is a video on practicing two cello players, song number 25 of the Blue Book. So here we have three notes, the E, which is simply our open E string, our F sharp, which is the first finger across from this green tape here, right here, first index finger, and then the G sharp, our middle finger, second finger, across from the shorter red tape right here. Okay, so we're going to utilize all the notes that we learned so far for the E string. Make sure you stop your bow for the quarter note rest. Here we go. And as you know, the first three notes, these are half notes. So they get 2 beats where you have to slow your bow to make sure you do 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to slow your bow down so you get a total of 2 beats per note. Violin is up. I get my thumb across from the green tape here. Make sure you have some space underneath the thumb. I prepare my first finger, the note F sharp, across on top of this green long tape here. My G sharp is an entire whole step above F sharp, so it's not touching the first finger. There's space between, as you can see, across from the short red tape. Here we go. Prepare your bow hold. I'm going to place my bow around the frog area right here on the E string. After 4 beats, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, up bow. Rest, rest. One more time. I should have mentioned that the first note is an open E, so you do not have any fingers on the fingerboard. Let's try that one more time, but make sure that you're ready to put your first finger F sharp and second finger G sharp across from the short red tape. So one more time. Bow is at the frog, resting on the E string. Fingers above, hovering over the E string. Here we go. 1, 2, get your E string ready. 1, 2, ready, go. First finger F sharp. Second finger G. Stop your bow, rest, rest, G. F sharp, open E. Rest, rest.